Egg with Liberty Aid Academy. Did you know that student loans are set to begin repayments and the forbearance is set to end on August 31st? Yeah, August 31st, 2022. And did you also know that you don't, yeah, so that FAFSA here is federal student aid. So did you know that if you get a trust from Liberty Aid Academy, you don't ever have to pay a student loan back. They never come due. We teach you how to do that. That's right. That's right. You don't make any money, your trust makes money, and then you qualify to get your loans and forbearance forever. And it never negatively affects your credit report. So anyone could go to college for free, plus living expenses up to the maximum that the FAFSA federal student aid will allow, and you don't have to pay a penny. Free college for anyone, plus expenses.